Hi guys, let me show you what I got in my 4 days trip in Hong Kong. First, I got this. It's a rose quartz moonstone, and yung isa is nakalimutan ko kung ano, basta yung meaning nito is love. Love. Ganun siya, basta love to. Then I got this in Macau for money. Alipin tayo ng salapi, guys. So, kailangan natin to. Palapitan kita kakwarta. Kasi syempre, alipin kita sa salapi. And kailangan natin ng pera. Kailangan ko ng pera, guys. So, binili ko talaga to. So, bumili kasi ako nito kasi maubos na yung sunscreen ko. So, gusto ko siyang i-try. Ay, buta. Magahod kayo do. And this is what I got from Sephora. Since nasira na yung contour ko, ito yung binili ko. Actually, eyeshadow siya. Pero sabi ng kapatid ko, there's no rules in makeup. So, gagamitin ko to as a contour kasi ito talaga yung magandang shade for me sa contour. Since nasira na yung contour ko sa Roman, so bumili na talaga ako ng isa pa. And I also bought setting spray. This one from Benefit. Ito siya. Ah! So cute! Bumili rin ako ng MAC. Urban Decay. I also bought Makeup Forever na setting spray. I will review all this setting spray soon para sa inyo. Anong mag-pronounce man? Laneige. I bought 4 of these. Sabi nila maganda to sa oily skin. And I'm gonna try it. An eyeshadow. This is from Dior. 001. I also use it in my makeup look. Ngayon. Ang lakas maka-natural look, guys. Tignan mo. Pose lang ko dito, pero ubos na yung pera ko, sis. Most of my eyeshadows here are Roman. So, syempre gusto ko naman na may high-end naman ako na eyeshadow para maiba naman. And for the perfumes, I also bought Gucci Flora. Sa lahat ng Flora, ito talaga yung gusto ko, yung amoy. Ang ibang pangit ng amoy. I-try ko lang ni buwas. Kahit sa Singapore and sa Hong Kong, tinatry ko talaga. And ito talaga yung gusto ko. Nagustuhan ko sa line nila. And the other one is YSL na lang. So cute! I'm really excited to use this at work. Syempre, social climbing at its finest. And I hope you like it. And I'm going to review all of the products soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Pagkahod.